Okay, so far we have one here, and I can feel there's still more down the bottom. So I'm just gonna keep on digging, and let's see how much we can get to this grow bag. Okay, so this is what we got. There's a lot of small. This is a good size one from this smart pot.
Which I could. Oh.
So this is all our harvest for the sweet potato. Not bad. This, they probably still gonna grow some of these, but then I noticed the squirrel is getting them, so might as well harvest it before it's been eaten by the squirrel. So that's the sweet potato harvest for this year, 2017, September 16. And I still have the last of my tomato right there.